What is going on, guys? Today we're checking out the 2021 ACURA RDX A-SPEC. This video is going to be a walk around of all the features and anything that's available for this car. We'll check it out today. So first off, let me show you the key fob. Here's the key fob itself, ACURA. As you can see, we have the engine hold for the remote start. You have the feedback as well. So as you can see, the light will light up. The feedback. Now, let's check out the car itself. ACURA dual eyes with the ACURA dual fog lights as well. The new ACURA design grille with the big ACURA logo for the sensor. Check out here. We have the 20-inch ACURA A-SPEC wheels. A-SPEC badging. Mirrors are auto folding. It's here. Black side markers. Factory tinted rear windows. Wheels. We have the larger dual exhaust, specific to the A-SPEC model. As you can see here. Amazing car. You have the touch functions on all four doors, so you can lock and unlock the car on all four doors. Large panoramic sunroof. You have the integrated parking sensors as well in the grille. Large curves on the hood to have a more aggressive look. Now let's check out the inside of the car. Again, auto folding mirrors. Inside we have the ELS 3D sound system, memory seating, power folding mirror button. We have the A-SPEC kick plates, RDX OEM mats. You have your seat controls here, finished with a metal finish for the premium look. Perforated leather seats with Alcantara inserts. Check out the controls here. We have the brake hold, heated windshield, parking sensors. We have the lane departure assist. Taking a look at the sunroof here. We have metal pedals as well. Alright, let's jump in. Check out the car. Let me give you guys that wide angle view. Accurate chime, very cool. So as you can see here, let's check out the buttons real quick. Heated steering wheel, the volume, skip tracks button here. We have the lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, distance. Our push to start button here, right here. As you can see, we have the large screen. Your ventilated and heated seats for both passenger and driver. Dynamic mode. Turning knob, I'll show you this in a moment. We have our transmission, park, reverse, neutral, drive, and S. S stands for sport transmission. And we have our True Touch touchpad right here. Here we have a storage cubby. Inside of here, you can see we do have a USB port for the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We have our frameless mirrors right here, along with the garage home link. Down here we have additional power outlets, aux cable, as well as the USB connection right there. Let's turn on the car so I can show you guys the different menus that it comes with. ELS premium audio, very cool animation right here. Okay, so continue on with the video. We have our menus. So I'm gonna show you guys the different menus that we have here with my button right there. So you can push that to dismiss the message. So we have a trip computer, navigation, maintenance, tire pressure, your superhanded all-wheel drive monitoring system, so it shows you where the power is sent to each wheel. Minimal with nothing, it hides the display entirely. And sport gauges, that's if you want to turn on your sport gauges up here, turbo and acceleration if you want that. And I know that's it. So this is pretty much it. We have the paddle shifters. We have here our sunroof controls and your shade. Now I'm going to show you guys the NSX inspired mode switcher. We have Sport Plus. All the way back we have Snow mode for our Canadian winters, and Comfort. Auto start stop on and off feature. Our True Touch display. So how that works is essentially this is like a screen, right? So if you want to hit Sirius XM, all you have to do is put your finger where the screen is. As you can see here, works quite well. We have Alcantara insert here on the dash. Again, we have our ELS 3D studio sound system, which includes a speaker on the roof right here on all 4 sides. Speaker on the rear pillar. Gigantic sunroof. We have our blind spot monitoring system right there. Here's a global view of the car. The A-SPEC steering wheel. Definitely a nice place to be. Backer screen with the new menu. Alright, so let's show you guys the rear seats before we leave. Alright, so just checking out the rear seats. Zoom out for you guys. The single ladder and Alcantara insert. We have 2 additional outlets. USB. Your vents for your rear passengers. Seat pockets. Very cool. And you have your trunk back there. Your passengers do get the nice view out top, the large sunroof. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. This completes our video today. Like I said, if you guys have anything you want to see about this car, be sure to comment down below. Be sure to make this video for you guys. Hope you enjoyed this quick video. I'll see you on my next video. Alright, peace guys.